Another thing to note here is allele. What's an allele? Now let's look at these genes. Let's take gene H. Let's say this gene H here codes for height. Okay. Now if H codes for height, it means that, remember, we have two strands of the chromosome, 1, 2. This one comes from the father, this one comes from the mother. So it means that every gene comes in pair. So this is gene that codes for height, which means this one also codes for height, this one also codes for height. So we are having a gene comes in pair. The gene that codes for height may be A, right? The both of them codes for height. Whichever one that goes during separation of gametes, that is the one that expresses. So let's say this one codes for tall height and this one codes for short height, right? So one of these genes in this pair is called an allele. So an allele is one gene in a pair. So these are the two genes responsible for height. One may code for the short height, one may code for the tall height, but they both code for height. So an allele becomes an alternate version of that gene. So if this is the gene, this codes for tall height, this codes for short height, one of these two copies is called an allele.